Okay class. Today we shall learn about time and space. So please bring out your binders. Hey, Willow. Are you chewing gum?
No, I'm not chewing gum.
Then what are you chewing?
It's ice.
Willow. Enough is enough. That can break your teeth. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Hi Willow. Why are you crying?
Miss Salli sent me here because I was chewing ice in her class.
Willow. You know chewing ice can break your teeth. That's it. You are suspended for 65 days. Go home now.
Willow. We can't believe you were chewing ice in Ms. Sally's class at school today and got suspended for 65 days. That's it. You are grounded for 519 months.
Go upstairs and go to your room right now. And don't think about leaving your room until dinner time.